I never thought going to uni was a possibility for me, but this is it. My journey is beginning. A small step that brings big opportunities. It's time for me to let my potential thrive. To find that place where I'm empowered to think differently. I'm here to dream big and achieve even bigger.
I'm here to create and innovate.
To make my aspirations a reality.
To find my calling.
To be inspired.
I'm here to grow.
I'm here to make my dreams a reality.
I'm here to innovate.
To discover the truth.
To create my reality.
To push my limits.
To make me stronger. I'm here to go the extra mile.
I'm here to offer support.
To help others.
To protect life. To create something new.
To think outside the box.
To express myself.
I'm here to learn skills to last a lifetime.
We're
here for our future.